Yeah, good morning, everyone. Yeah, I'm audible.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Okay, guys, so let us start with okay, let us start with this. Now, the cluster, I already have created the cluster. Okay, so directly we'll create the notebook now. So I'm starting up a notebook. So I'm giving that global table notebook. Okay, guys, so this will run on the Python as a default language, and I'm using the cluster as the DurgaSoft cluster. So just use it. I already have created the workspace, everything today. Now, guys, this is ready. Now let us start with this. Okay, so I'm using the command line. I'll just use this reading. See, the command line is in Python is the hash. Okay, guys, reading the data from the CSV file.
Sir, are you typing something?
Yeah, just a minute. I'll share it. Okay, reading the data from CSV file into data frame. Okay, guys, this is the comment. That means, so I'm commenting it every line because you should know what we are doing it. Okay, so I'm using df. Df is nothing but what is that variable that is called as data frame is equal to, I'm using what's that, spark dot read dot CSV, and then we have to give under the double quotation marks, you have to use what is that, the path. So how to get the path? Tell me now, guys. Go to the file option. You will have an upload to DBFS, Databricks file system. Click on this, guys, and now drag and drop. So just drag and drop here which file you want to access it. So I'm just accessing the file called airlines.csv. So just it is being uploaded. Now click on the next. Can you see here? Once we click on the next, you will get this. So I'm just copying this and click on done. That's it. And now, guys, paste it here. Okay, so paste it here. That's it. And after this, we are using what's it, comma, header. You want to read the first row as the header. Header is equal to true. And then use a comma and use infer schema. Infer schema is equal to true. Okay, guys, header is equal to true and infer schema is equal to true. I'm using it. Okay, that's it. Whatever the data. Okay, so now I'm just using the control enter. Guys, see here, allow. Now it's created now. The data frame is created here. Okay, guys, the data frame is created now. Now df, can you see here? I'm using the print schema. Df dot print schema. Df dot print schema. So I'm using it. Let's use the control enter. Can you see here? Can you see here? ID automatically it's taking as integer. Why? Because of the infer schema option, as we have used the true. Okay, guys, so let us use it here. I'm using the comment here. What I was doing, view. Okay, view the schema of the data frame. View the schema of the data frame. That's it, guys. Okay, next afterwards. Okay, suppose if you don't use, guys, suppose if you don't use, okay, infer schema, then you will get it as what, integer. You wanna see this? I'll add one more cell here, guys. One more cell. I'll add one more cell and I copy this entire data. Now what I will do is paste it here, df2. And now guys, what I will use is I will remove this option called infer schema. I will remove this option called infer schema. Yeah, I'm audible to everyone. Yes, guys.
Yeah.
So use the control enter. Now you got it. So I'm adding one more cell here below. So now I'll copy this command and see. Okay. df2, because you have already created the df2 now. df2 print schema. See here. What it is giving now?
All string.
Yeah, all string. Because of the infer schema option, here it has selected as what? It has all, that means according to the data, it has choose the data type as integer. Okay, guys. Next after this. Okay, guys. So already, okay. So let's use one more count. I'm using it. Count number of records. Count the number of records in the data frame. Okay. So here you have it. Use what is that? df dot count. That's it. df means what? The data frame, whatever you have created. So see, how many records are there? Can you see here, guys? 6161. Huh? 6161. 6161. Yes, am I audible, everyone? Please.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So, okay. The next one is now, guys, if at all you want to see the data, so I'm just using here view the data from the data frame. View the data from the data frame. df dot show method, we have to use it. Okay. df dot show. So hence we use it. Control enter. See here. You got the data. But can you see here? Can you see here, guys? It's truncating the data. It's cutting off the data. Am I right, guys? But in the name column, okay. Can you see here? Can you see ID4? Can you see here? 2 SQN number 1 element. So further it is truncating the data. It is truncating the data here. So for that, we have to use what is it? Yes. So to avoid this truncating, we have to use what is that option? Tell me now. View.
Truncate false.
Yes. View the view data from data frame without truncating. Without truncating the column data. Okay, without truncating the column data. Okay. So for that, df dot, tell me now, show method. We have to use the df dot show method, and then we have to use truncate. Truncate is equal to what? False. Use it now. Control enter. See the data now. Now, guys, the truncating is done or not? Tell me now. Now onwards, can you see it, guys?
Yeah.
That's it. So now, guys, the next one, I'm using the next cell. View. Sorry. View limited number of records from the data frame. So guys, use what is that? DEF is equal to show, or we can say DEF dot show. I want to view the 10 records here. 10 comma truncate. Truncate is equal to false. That's it. Okay, guys. Use it here. See now, the 10 records are displayed or not? Guys, everyone, please. Yes, guys. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. So next, what is it? We have it. Next, let us use view top records. Top records from data frame. And now, guys, use what's a df dot. We have to use what? Head. Head. Okay, guys. Df dot head. I'm using 2. Df dot head and 2. And now see here. Can you see here? So this is called as what? Tuple method. This is actually called as what? Tuple method. Inside the array, can you see here? Array. This is called as an array, guys. This is an array. Inside an array. Okay. Now, guys, in the same way, view bottom records from data frame. So use what is that? def dot tail. And now, guys, I'm using 10. From bottom, what is it I want to do? Last 10 records. Can you see here? You got it, guys? Yes. So these all actually we will discuss it in detail when we just get into the transformations. Okay, guys. Now, guys, what we will do is we have created the data frame. Now, what we will do is we'll write the data into the data frame. Sorry, data into this global table. So what's that? We have to use the %SQL. The %SQL command is called as the magic command, guys, which changes the language of the notebook. Am I right, guys?
Yes.
So what is that currently you have it? In which language it is running? Guys, everyone, please.
Python.
I want an answer from every one of you. Yes, guys, we have 10 members. I want everyone to answer, please.
Python.
Yeah, so use the Python. So I'm using SQL. Can you see it? It is changed to SQL or not? Now, guys, I'm creating a database. Can you see it? Create. Okay, I'm using, what is it? Create database if not exist. If not exist means if it is not that is available. So I'm using travel DB. So can you see here? Now, guys, that's it. Run this. Now the database is created. The database is created or not, guys? Now, guys, the database is created. Now, guys, so now can you see here? I'm using the I'm using the create global table from data frame using Python code, guys. Okay, that's the reason why I have not used any magic command here. Okay, so okay, So use what is that? Tell me now. Df dot write dot. Tell me now. Df dot write dot. What is it you have to use? Tell me now.
Save as table.
Yeah.
Yes.
So use save as a capital as table T capital by. That means again you have to use what is it? Airlines. Yeah. Use it as what? Airlines. Okay. As per the syntax only we are using it. Okay. Now guys, let us try to run this. So is this fine? This is how it creates. Created now. You want to verify it from the sidebar? Go to what? Tell me now. Guys, today you have to tell me. Data. The database is there. Travel DB is there.
Yes.
But here it is created in what? Airlines. So how to create in Travel DB? Tell me now.
Use database.
So how to use a database?
Or we can qualify the table name with
Yeah. So how we want to use it? Travel
traveldb.airlines.
DB. Sorry, Travel DB dot airlines. So just use it now. Now guys, do one thing. Just go and check once more, all of you. Airlines is here or not? Yes, guys. That's it. So now, guys, next one. Let us query the data now. Query data from table. Query data from table. Whereas, can you see here, guys? We will be using the command called what's it? Select star from. Now tell me, is the query executes or fail now? Does it fails or executes it? And moreover, the command which whatever I'm using it, guys, this is not recognizing as a comment. It is taking as a command. So how to comment it in whenever we use Python, we use what is it? Hash. But here, whenever we use a SQL, use a double dash. Use what's it? Dash. So why?
SQL here.
Yes. So
We
why
are
it is
still in the Python.
just okay? So for that, what I will do is how to change it. Tell me now. %SQL. Now, guys, use a double dash here.
Double dash is not there.
Now, guys, fine.
Yeah.
So now, guys, select the star from airlines. Okay, use a double dash. Okay, use it here. Now it's running. See, select the star from. Got it now, guys? Everyone.
Yeah. So this pulls from default, right?
Now, can you see here? You have one more function to display here. Display data from data frame. Yes, tell me now how we have to use it. Display function. We'll be using display of df. Getting my point? Now see the data exists or not. Can you see here, guys?
Yeah.
Display function, we are going to use it. Okay, guys, that's it. Now after this, so now guys, this is the thing. Now guys, what we will do is a further. Okay, guys, so what I will do is now I will create a, okay, I will create one more database here, guys. So as I wanted to use it, the SQL directly, can you see here? I want to change it here, the SQL. We can go this way also, guys. So now after this, what is it I wanted to do? I'm commenting if. Okay, what is it comment? Create or creation of, again, new database. Creation of new database. I'm using create, guys, database. Create a database if not exist. Sales DB. What is the name I'm using, guys? Here, tell me now. Sales DB. Okay. So now, guys, run this command. Whether it executes or not, let us see it here. It is executed. We want to verify it. Check here. Can you see it's created or not? Yes, guys, tell me now. Sales DB is created or not?
Yeah.
Everyone.
Yes, yes.
Next, after this, if does not exist, created. Now, guys, I'm using it. Create. Create. What is that? Now, guys, if this is the every time you have to keep on changing. If not, you can take a new notebook and you can set that default language as SQL. So I'm typing it in the same. So, guys, use what's that? Create a global table. Global table. Okay, guys, create a global table. So now, guys, I'm using what's that? Create table if not exist. Table name. So give the table name here. The table name, what is it I want to do? I want to use it employees. Guys, I want to use what? Employees using, can you see here? Using CSV. Using the CSV, guys. Using the CSV. That means I want to create it using the CSV. We can also say here options. All of you, options. Use the word called what? Guys, options. You can provide the option header. Header is equal to true. You can use like this way. Okay. Then again, next one, comma. Guys, next after this. Delimiter. Delimiter is equal to comma. Am I right, guys? Everyone?
Sir, spelling is some delimiter.
Okay.
LI.
DELI. Okay. DEL.
Sir, one quick question, please.
I.
Sir, what is the file size which we can proceed as a CSV and to database? Is there any limit for
No,
file size, sir?
no limitation. No
Oh,
limitation.
Okay.
Now, guys, infer schema is equal to, guys, true. Infer schema is equal to true. Okay. So now, guys, okay. Then, guys, after this, use another comma. Then again, we have to use the path. Where is the path? How to get the path? Now tell me how to get the path. Guys, how to get the path? Tell me now. Path. Now, guys, go to this. Now go to this upload. Upload it. So I'll just upload one more file now. That is called as an employees info. Okay, guys, let us check it here. Employees info is here. No, it's not there. So classes, I think employees info should be here, guys. Just a minute. Give me a second time. Let me check that. I have a file called employees info. Open this. Next, click on next, guys. Am I right? Now copy this. Copy this. Copy it now. That's it. Copy. Done. Everyone is following or not? Please.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So now paste it here. The physical path, whatever you have copied it. Now, guys, you have copied the physical path. Everything is fine here. Okay. That's it. Semicolon at the end. Shift enter. Can you see here? Table created or not? Tell me. You want to check? Go here. Sales database. Where it is created? In default only. Why it is created in default? Huh?
We are not mentioned the database there.
Now, how to mention the database name, guys? Tell me now.
Table name.
So how
When
to
we create.
so can we give it
Use.
like this? Database name dot table name. Can we give it here like this?
Yes.
Okay, let us try it. If not, we'll have other way. Okay, guys. So what is the table database name? You have it. Sales DB dot. Okay, it's working. No issues. Fine. So now go here. Employees is here or not? Yes, guys. Now I'll query up the data. So now, guys, querying the data. Now I'll query it. Okay. Query. Okay, guys. Query table. Query table. Query table. So you have to change, because when you want to query it in the SQL, so you have to use the same query table, guys. Query table. Then afterwards, you have to use what? Select a star from. Select a star from. What is that? Employees. Now just run this. Got it now, guys? Everyone? Huh?
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is the way we have it. Okay, guys. Now, guys, if not, one more thing, one more command I wanted to tell you here. Suppose if this is not the way you write it here, suppose you can use one more thing. I can add one more command, the database selection. You can write it here. So I can write it here, one more command. So you can use this way also. That means if at all you want to create it in the same, that is in the respective database, whichever you require it. So use what's that? Selection of database.
Use database.
Yes. Use what is it? The command called what? Use database. What is the database name you have it? Sales DB. You can use this way also, guys. Okay. This will also work. So from now onwards, whatever you are using it or whatever the table you created, directly it will go and store it in what? Sales DB. Getting my point? And now at the time of writing here also, you can write, what is that? Sales DB dot. Got it now? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
That's it.
Yes, Amir, I have one small question. So, can we do reversely? I mean to say from employee table into Python data frame, create the data frame.
Yes, definitely we can do it. We can go in the reverse order also.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah. What is the command for that?
So that means you want to create, using this again, you want to create a data frame.
Yes, using the database table.
Mm.
Yeah, you need to create the data frame. in Python?
We can do
Using
it. Use the same command, no?
data frame equal to
That is data frame equal to
spark dot table, and
yes,
within brackets you have to mention the
database
name
and
dot
so followed by the database name. That is a table name.
database dot table.
Dot table name. That's it.
Here in this case, say
What we are using here, can you see the same? We have already used it now above also. Just a minute, I will show you the same save as. You have it an option now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
save
See?
as table.
Yes.
That is Python to database.
Yes. So instead of giving this entire, you can use the save as. If at all you want to use it.
no, save as is to write uh, write into the database.
Yes. Yes.
So what you have to do, df equal to spark dot table of that table name, which is qualified with the database.
Okay.
That is salesdb dot employees
Yeah.
within quotes within the bracket.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, next after this, okay, guys. Now we'll create a local tables, guys. Okay, we'll create the local tables. So we have already done with the global tables. How to create the global tables? Everything you know it. Okay, guys. So now let us try to go ahead and create this. What I'll do is now, it's better if I just create a new notebook. Okay, guys. I'm just creating a new notebook. So I'm using what's it? Create. Okay. Global and local tables. Global. Create global. And local tables. So default language is what is it? You have it, guys? Python. Okay, let us create it. We can change it at any point of time. That's not an issue. Just a minute. It's created. Recents. No. I'll just create one more. So global tables and local tables. So let us create it, guys. Okay. Now, guys, global tables and local tables notebook is ready. So now, guys, let us try to go ahead and create it. Okay. If you want, you can run it on the same cluster, or else you can create one more cluster here. That's not a problem, guys. Okay. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, guys. Now let us use it here. I'm just creating one more. So, guys, we can use it here. Can you see here? We can use df is equal to spark dot, guys, spark dot read dot, tell me now, format is equal to what type of format you have it in the file. You can use any format here, CSV, Parquet, whatever the type of file you have it. So currently I'm using as what, CSV, and future we will also see how to use it in what is that, Parquet also, don't worry. Okay guys, further instead of comma you can use the forwards, that is the slash here. Then afterwards, can you see it? This is nothing but, again we have it dot, we have to use what's a dot. I'm using options, dot option, dot option. Then what is it, we have it, guys, use it under the double quotations, header comma true. That's it. So as you are using the forward slash here, okay guys, so you need not use what is that, the comma here. Okay guys, then afterwards I'm using the dot options. Yes, everyone is following or not?
Yes, yes.
Option, and then I'm using what's it under this, in for schema, comma, so use it true. That's it. And use, guys, slash, that is forward slash, and then again, what is the delimiter in the file, tell me now. The file, normally the delimiter is what is it, you have it, guys, use it separator, scp, comma, as it is a CSV file, by default the delimiter will be what is that, comma only. Okay guys, yes everyone. Now guys, I'm using further, I'm using the load, dot load here. I'm using what's that, dot load. So now guys, dot load, can you see here which file you want to load it here? Can you see here how to find out the path of the file, tell me now. I want to upload one file here. So guys, I'll upload it, just a minute, I'll upload one more file, or this, can you see here, go to this file, upload, can you see here, I'm just dragging and dropping up the file here. Can you see here, what is that, travel, under the travel, I'll use this airlines only. Okay guys, I'm opening up once more, and now guys, this is the thing you have it, renamed or avoid conflict. Okay, just a minute, select another file or remove the file here, just a minute, cancel it, remove the file, because already it's uploaded now. I'll upload some other file here, guys. I'll take it as a countries. Okay guys, now it is there. Click on this, copy the physical path, whatever the path you have, you just copy it. Okay guys, okay guys, copied. Now guys, here in this, now guys, write it here under this, write it here, paste it here. What is it you have it, tell me now. DBFS file store, okay, shared uploads from this particular mail ID. What is it you have it, dot CSV. Am I right guys, everyone? Now guys, just use it here. Now it's not working. What's the problem, tell me now.
Some spelling mistake. The first line, format.
Oh my god. Okay guys, now I think it's fine. String, that is nothing but it says, what is it?
Equal to
Okay,
is required or?
yes, DF is equal to, now here you're talking about, no?
No, format equal to.
No, not required.
Format that is
No.
format that CSV.
Yes, no, not required.
Yeah.
Now guys, now it's fine, I think so. Now guys, it's working now. Now guys, I'll use a display df. So I'll comment it up and write it here. Okay, so what is that? View, or we can say display data from, what is that? Data frame. Okay guys, display data from the data frame, guys. That's it. Click on Control Enter. Now see here, the data is displayed or not, everyone? Huh?
Yeah.
The data is displayed here. That's it. That's it. If at all you want to use the limit also, you can use limit. So how to use the limit? You know already, na? Limit the view. Limit the view. You can use it here. So guys, use what is it? Df dot limit. Df dot limit. Limit is what? 10. Only I want a 10 rows here. Okay, guys, everyone. Or let us make it as I want only 5 rows. Everyone. Df dot limit. Okay, so limit view from the data frame. Okay, guys, everyone. Yes, what is error? Data frame string code. Okay, you got it now? Not the error, it is basically. Yes. Can you see here? Now guys, let us use df.
We
Just a
have
minute.
display, right?
Display. So yeah, the display. Use the display here. Now it's fine. Okay. Now it's fine, guys. Display. Now can you see here? Display. You got only 5 rows now. See here, everyone.
Yeah.
So we have to use a display here. Okay. The next one is after this. So what is the other technique? Tell me now. Apart from this, what is the other technique?
Show.
Yes, df dot show. We have to use what? Df dot. Just tell me now. Df dot.
Df dot show.
Yes, show. Tell me now.
We can limit by giving the number of rows.
Yes. So df dot show under the parenthesis. So use the 10 comma. If at all you don't want to truncate it anyway. So truncate. Truncate is equal to false. Am I right? Now guys, use the same thing. Now got it now? No truncating is done. If it is truncating also, it's not truncate. Okay. Now guys, that's it. Okay. That's it, guys. Now, using this, what I will do is, now can you see here, guys? I'm creating it. Just let us try to create permanent table. Permanent table means what, guys?
Global.
Yes, very good. Permanent table here. Create permanent table or global table. Then we'll see the local table. Don't worry. Okay, permanent table or global table. Now, guys, I'm writing df dot write dot save as table. Yes, everyone. I'm using what is the table name? Tell me now. I want to use the table name as what? planes. Am I right, guys? Planes. That's it. Now use it.
Database.
Planes by default, it is there in the default database only. No?
Okay.
Now can you see it? It's done now. Now it's done. Now, guys, now once again, what is the we use the mode. Can you see here? I want to. Can you see here? We can just. I'm using it. One more command here. Use the same comment. Use the same comment. Now, guys, creating another table by using the mode here called override mode or append mode. Okay. So df dot, guys, write dot mode. Df dot write dot mode. Mode is what is it? Overwrite. Overwrite. Okay, guys. What do you may overwrite? Tell me now. If the table is already existing, then you can overwrite it. Okay. The data will be overwritten. That means the previous one will be overwritten by the new one. Am I right, guys? That is called as what? Mode method. That is called a df dot write dot mode. What is that we use it? Df dot write dot mode. And apart from the mode that is called as overwrite, we can also use the append method, guys. The new data will get appended to the existing data. Getting my point? Append. We can use two methods of this thing. Okay. So now, guys, first of all, we'll use the overwrite. That's it. Dot. Sorry. Dot format. How to store it into the can you see here? Format. Now, guys, I will use it. Format as what? Not the CSV. I will use this time Parquet. What do you mean by Parquet file, guys? Parquet file are referred as the light-weighted files, which is used to carry the data, wherein this is non-human readable files. These files are not human readable. Getting my point, guys? Okay. So this time I'm putting up into the Parquet, guys. Okay. Okay. Table metadata, where it will be stored? Yes.
Sorry.
Table metadata will be stored in the Hive meta store. Getting the point?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes. For global tables.
The actual records. Okay. The actual records will be stored internally in the Parquet, but the table metadata will be stored in what is that? Hive meta store. Okay. Dot.
The actual data
Will be stored in Parquet.
in the DBFS only, right?
Yes,
Parquet
yes.
format.
Yes, format. Yes. So now, guys, use what is that? Save as table. Save as table. I want to use it as. Can you see here? I want to use planes. Can you see here? I want to use what? Planes underscore Parquet. Planes underscore Parquet. I want to save it in what? Guys, that's it now. Now run this once. Now, guys, go and check now. Data default. Can you see here? Guys, everyone? It's created or not? Yes, guys, please.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
It's a permanent or temporary? This is a permanent table.
It's a permanent table.
Yes, permanent. Okay, that's it. That means no new data will be overwritten to the existing file. That's it. So whenever we use the overwrite method, okay. Now, if at all you want to query, can you query it, guys? Tell me now. Use what is that? Use the %SQL now. %SQL. Guys, use select star from Can you see here? Planes underscore parquet. So is it fine, guys?
Yeah.
Got it now, guys? So totally how many rows you have it? 258 rows. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, Samir, can you scroll up once? The above comment. Hello. Yes, Samir. Am I audible?
Yeah, tell me. Yeah, tell me.
Can you scroll up?
Hmm.
Yes, yes.
Okay, now.
The command number 6 actually. So here the mode is override. Override. Uh,
If
what
already the table is there, that means.
if
If
okay,
the
if table
table
is already
data,
there, okay,
Yeah.
no,
then
no. If the table data is already there, it will
Yes.
first of all truncate the table,
Yes. And
and
then
then
it will
the new data will get
be updated. That's it.
insert.
so here we are not specifying the which table to be truncated, right?
Save as table. is
Save
there.
as table, we are using it, not the same one.
If it is already available, it will overwrite.
We have used now create table if already exist. In that way only it works.
Oh, okay. Okay, save as table is a plan okay, planes underscore parquet.
Yes.
So but okay, the question simple in my mind is so it is loaded with country's data, correct?
Hmm.
So but
Plains
in
data.
command, yeah, in this command we are not specifying the uh, input data anywhere in this command, right?
DF
Yes.
is there, right?
DF
DF
is
is
that means
what
data
is
frame
having
itself.
the data.
Okay, okay. DF is already there. Okay,
Yes.
fine. Yeah. That's it.
Okay. So now.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, next after this. Okay, so now I'm using it, the SQL command here. Can you see here? Can you see here? I'm using it. All of you. Just a minute. Okay, percent SQL. Okay, percent SQL. Show. Okay, guys, I'm using what's that? Show create table. Show create table. What's the table name? Planes underscore parquet. Okay, guys, that's it. See here. Can you see here? Can you see here? Create a table. Default is what? Planes underscore. Can you see here? Underscore parquet. So if at all you want to see the DDL, guys. If at all you want to see the DDL. DDL means schema means what? DDL. Okay. So
Metadata.
yes, metadata. That's it. Okay, I'm writing it a comment here, guys. Show the DDL of what is that? DDL means what? Data definition language. Show DDL. Okay. How the create statement was developed? Let us see it. Okay. I'm writing it. data definition language. Okay, DDL stands for what? Data definition language of global table, or permanent, whatever you call it as. That's it, guys. Okay, now let us see it here. Okay, sorry. No, sure, I have written here now. Sorry, I'll just remove it. Here you can write it, but not like this. You have to use it the double dash. Guys, everyone. Okay, guys, this is the thing we have it. Show the DDL, that is data definition language of the, can you see here? Default. What is this? Default default is a database. The table name is plains underscore parquet. Okay, and this is the name string, code number is string. Okay, using the parquet. That's it. Okay, data storing in default format here, parquet. So hence it is using the parquet. That's the reason why it says using parquet. Can you see here? This is how. Can you see here? Just put the control there. You can see the hyperlink. Can you see here, guys? Create table default dot parquet. Can you see here, guys? Everyone? Yes. Am I audible to everyone, guys?
Yes, sir.
I'm putting up here.
Yes,
See.
sir.
That's it. Now. Okay, guys, that's it. Next, after this. Okay, I'm writing again. Take one more example. Simple. Okay. Can you see here? Create global table using what's that? Df dot write dot save as table. Okay, now just a minute. So I'm using it. What's that? Another one. My things here. My planes. Tell me now. How this table is internally created? Can you tell me? I'm not using any mode. That is nothing but can you see here? How it is created at my planes? Go and check here.
Higher format.
See. My planes is there or not? My planes. How it is created? Now you want to show. Now see here. So use the SQL %SQL. Now this will work. %SQL. Now guys, I'm using show. How to show the DDL? Show the DDL of my planes. Show the DDL of my planes. Okay, guys. Show the DDL of my planes. That's it. Now show create table. Can you see here? My planes. Am I right, guys? Everyone? This time you observe it, guys. Observe. This time you observe it. Can you see here? Now tell me how it is created. Now the data is, can you see here? Create a table. That's it. Can you see here? Can you see here? This time it is created in which format here? Can you say delta format? What is delta format, guys? Delta concept is basically a separate concept, delta lake. Okay, we have what said it, guys. On top of the Parquet file, you will have, can you see, it will be created in what? Delta table format. It is created in what? Delta table format, managed by delta dot, can you see here? Delta format here. Just put it here. Can you see? See here. So using, can you just scroll it down? Can you see here? Using delta. Can you see here? Use it. Can you see here? Using delta. Yes, everyone is okay now. Can you see here?
Yes.
Now, guys, I want to write it to the CSV here. Okay. So df dot. Now I will write it. Create one more table. Create. Guys, what is that? Create global table. So now I am writing it. What's that? Df dot write dot format. Now I want to change it. Now I want to change the format. That is, I want to use it as what? Can you see here? CSV. Can you see here, guys? Now dot mode. I'll write the mode now. Mode is what is that I want? Overwrite. Now can you see here? Dot save as table. This time, guys, use it here as what? Planes underscore CSV. See here, it is created or not? Go here. Data. Now can you see here? Planes underscore CSV. Now show. Use what is it? Percent SQL. I'm writing it. Show the DDL now. Show the DDL of what is it? You have table name? Planes underscore CSV. Okay. So now, guys, use what's it? Show create table. Tell me now. What is it? You have to tell me now. Planes underscore CSV. Am I right, everyone? Yeah, run it now. Now see, this time the table data, can you see here how it is created? The table data is stored in which format? Tell me now. CSV. Can you see here?
Oh, okay.
It is in CSV format this time. If you don't specify the format, yes, if you don't specify the format, what is the default format it will take? Yes.
Delta
Yes.
format.
So what format the table data will be created? That is nothing but delta. That's it. Okay. Now here, can you see? Did I specify above in the above command? Did I specify any? Can you see your format here? No. Did I specify any format here, guys? No, in this command.
No.
Hence,
No.
it is taken into the delta.
Delta.
That's the reason. Now, as you specify the format, guys, automatically it will change it, or what is that? Required whatever the format you use it. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, that's it.
So can you please scroll a little? Enough, sir. Okay, okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Can you
Okay.
scroll up, if you don't mind? Can you scroll up, like the above one?
Mm. Okay.
Uh, okay, this is a table, right? Save as table, my planes.
We are not
Then
using any format here. That's simple.
yeah,
So if I am not using the format, it's creating in the delta format. If I want the format, we have to use it. Suppose you want to use the ORC file. You want to create it in ORC. You have to give the ORC there. For that, we have to use the dot format. Okay.
okay, but my thought is like here it is a delta, right?
Yeah.
Delta. Okay, delta.
Delta format is basically built upon the data lake. We will discuss it. It's a very big concept and a very important concept. We will discuss the delta. Okay.
Okay.
Now, okay, now okay, let it first make out the basics things. And delta format is a very, the that is important and required format right now in the market. Delta lakes, delta lake. Delta lakes are built upon the data lakes. Okay. So now, guys, anyways, I will will discuss that. Now we'll create the local table, guys. Okay. So now, guys, I'm using it the command creation.
So delta format is human readable format, right?
Delta format is basically not the human readable because the delta stores up the data in Parquet only, mostly. Okay, then we have to convert the delta data into some other format for reading human readable format.
Okay. Okay. Only Parquet file,
No, Parquet is
portion.
ORC also,
Okay.
but
Got it.
preferably Parquet it use. Okay, creation of local table, guys. I'm creating. Can you see it? Local table or temporary table. Okay, temporary table. Temporary table or temporary view, you can say. Temporary view. Okay, guys. So for that, guys, we have to write what is that? Tell me now. I'm using df dot create or replace, guys. Or you should be O should be capital or what is it? Replace. Can you see here? Whenever you want to create a temporary table, temporary view, create df dot create or replace. Create or replace. What is it you have to use? Temp
View.
Temp view. Okay, temp view, V capital. Temp view name, guys. We can give a name as okay under the double quotation. Okay, let us give it here. Airlines or okay, planes only. We have planes now. We'll give planes. Okay, planes underscore view. Viewed. Run this. See, go to the data. So can you see, is there any table with a name called planes underscore view?
No.
It's not there. It's not in Hive meta. These are the contents of the Hive meta store. Now, am I right, guys?
Correct.
So hence it is not there. Now, table not available. That means the table available to this particular notebook. Am I right, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
It is just there in the memory.
Now, once you restart the cluster, we cannot access this. Am I right? It
Yes.
cannot be accessed.
Yes.
This is
So can you see here one interview question? Which table can survive for the cluster restart? Yes.
Global.
Yes. Which tables can survive the that is nothing but after the server, that is the cluster restart. That means only the that is nothing but the global tables for or permanent tables. Yeah, you are asking something, somebody. Yeah, please.
Yeah, I'm not asking. Say, I was trying to say it is a very session specific.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay. So now, guys, that's it. So once you restart the cluster, guys, once that cluster we terminated and restarted, this will go off. These tables, whatever you created, views or tables, it will be lost. Okay. Now I'm querying the temporary table here. Okay, guys. Query. Okay. I want to use SQL, no? Double dash. Use it %SQL. Sorry. %SQL. Okay. Query temporary table, temp table. Okay, temp table or local table. Local table, normal query only. Select a star from what is that? Planes underscore view. Right? See here. Yes, guys, everyone, please.
Okay.
Yes,
Now go to
yes.
the compute, guys. Go to compute. Just a minute. The cluster is there now. I'm terminating it. Terminate it. Terminate it. Terminate it. Confirm. Or guys, just a minute. It's terminating. Now I'm restarting it. Okay. It's restarting it. Just a minute. This restart will take a bit time, as you know.
Sir, files are still not there for practicing purpose actually.
Put a message in the group. I'll raise a query. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir. Groups are actually that's not editable for all of us. We cannot.
No, I have given the rights.
Oh, okay.
I've given the rights already to. Generally, we don't give the right because people will be posting unnecessary things on that.
Correct. Correct.
So that's the reason why I don't give it. So now I have given yesterday. You can just type all the things, whatever you require it. Everyone can
Okay.
post it.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Because that access providing is not in my hands. Actually, the institute people take care of that. Okay. So, anyways, no issues. Tell me, Naga, you're telling something.
And can you please share the any PDF material for this yeah, Azure Databricks?
Now, guys, just a minute. PDF.
Yeah, can you please share any you have others, right? Other
Just a minute. Now, guys, just a minute. Let me just which notebook you are using? Local, this one, na? Guys. Okay, guys. So now, sorry. Guys, see. Now, guys, what we will do is I'm executing mode. Okay, guys, I'll execute any one of it. Okay. See, Okay, I'll execute this one.
Show.
I'll execute. No, I
That
will.
is show.
Okay, that is shown. Just a minute. Select. Where is the select command? That is also the script show. I'll execute this. Okay.
Okay.
See. Just a minute, because we have restarted the cluster now. It's taking some time to pull in. Okay, guys, got it? Now I will execute the last one now. The last what we have created. Now see whether this will work or not. Guys, it's working.
No.
Why?
Table or view not found.
Why? Because
That's not
it will be
available.
lost. That's it. Okay, guys. Yes, everyone. This is how we create the global and local tables. Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Now, guys, we have already get into the subject now. Okay. So, guys, this is how we can write it. Okay. So, everyday wise, we'll just make out one case study from now onwards. Okay. Slowly, we'll just get into the subjects. Yeah. Any other questions?
Yeah, Samir, can you please share the other like
What is
PDF
that?
document?
Yeah. What is that you required?
Azure Database material.
Material. Actually, okay. I will try to share it. Okay, I'll try to give you that. I'll give you the link. You can download it. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Can you please share the link?
Sure. I can do that. Okay, no issues.
Yeah, you have some others, right? Standard others.
Yeah. I'll share you. Okay, no issues.
Okay. Will it cover a whole synapses and Cosmos? This everything is there, or for a different synapses?
No.
Also
For
different?
everything is there.
Okay. Okay. Can you please share that?
Sure, definitely. Okay. That's it, guys. I'm just ending up the class. Okay. That's it, and again we'll meet again on Monday, guys. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you,
sir.
guys. Thank you.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
Samir,
Thank you, sir.
actually,
Huh?
one second. Actually, we got a recording from Santanu this month. Okay, before that classes happened, or only from Santanu this month?
It was the introductory classes only.
Oh, okay.
Whatever
Before
they
10th
have
of
it, yeah. Whatever the recording is there, or whatever the things are there, they will send you. So if do one thing now, just put a message in the group. I will ask the people to respond it. Okay.
Okay. Before I have sent some demos, but they did not share. So they shared from Santanu. So that's some confusion.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I put message or?
You can put the message in the group.
Okay.
I will ask the people to respond it. Okay.
Okay. Before some demonstrations happened, right? Before 10th.
Yes.
They did not share with those demonstrations. Okay.
You can just put it. Okay. No.
Okay, sure. Okay, sure. I will do that.
Okay. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Thank you. Sir. Okay.
Bye bye. We'll meet again on Monday. Thank you.
Okay, sure.